Whether you're commuting, running errands, or heading on vacation, getting around Europe just got greener. Thanks to new updates in Google Maps, sustainable travel is now smarter, faster, and easier, powered by AI. Let's start with one of Google's boldest moves. AI-powered travel suggestions in Google Maps can now detect when public transport or walking can get you to your destination as fast as driving. These alternative routes are now shown automatically, encouraging greener decisions with just one tap. Google claims this has already replaced tens of millions of car trips, available in 60 cities and soon expanding to Warsaw, Copenhagen, and Stockholm. But if you have to drive, Google still has your footprint in mind. Its fuel-efficient routing is now live globally, helping you choose routes that use less gas or less battery, even if they're a few minutes slower. In 2024 alone, this feature helped avoid 2.7 million metric tons of emissions. That's like removing 630,000 gas cars off the road for a year. Google Maps also now flags low-emission zones in cities like Berlin and London, so drivers know when they're entering restricted areas. It checks if your vehicle qualifies and even suggests cleaner alternative routes. This update will soon cover over 1,000 green zones across Europe, including Italy, Austria, and Sweden. Cyclists haven't been left out either. Google Maps now shows bike lane details, steep hills, and high-traffic zones in cities like Rome, Madrid, Barcelona, and Vienna. These safety updates are expanding to 125,000 kilometers of bike paths globally, with 9 new cities in Europe added soon. But it's not just for individuals. Google's Project Green Light helps entire cities reduce emissions by optimizing traffic light patterns. Using AI and real-time traffic data, cities like Vilnius, Lithuania, are reducing idle time, cutting emissions, and easing congestion. It's already active in 20 cities on 4 continents, and growing. Google Maps is becoming much more than a navigation app. It's turning into a climate tool. With AI, Google is helping people and governments make smarter, greener decisions, one route at a time. For more weekly updates on AI, sustainability, and tech that matters, don't forget to subscribe to Smart News AI. Smart News AI, fast, sharp, real.